Good morning, all of you. I hope you all are enjoying your online class, children. Okay, so again, today we are going to do subtraction in this class, and we'll do subtraction with more borrowing. Okay, and we are going to do subtraction of two-digit number and one-digit numbers from three-digit number. So let us take example number 1. 455 minus by 473. Okay, so because it is three-digit number, so we have to make this number also three-digit number. So where the number which is not written over here at hundreds place, we write 0 over here. Okay, so again in the form of hundred, tens and ones, 473 and 0 5 5. Okay, 55. So again we'll start how to subtract these numbers, children. So let us see. So 3 minus 5, children. I told you earlier also that 5 is greater than 3. So we have to take 10 from the number which is present at tens place. So we have taken 1 from here. It becomes 13. And now cut this 3. So 13 minus 5 will get over here 8. Okay, so how many number is left here? Because 1 is removed from here, so it becomes 6 tens. Okay, so cut this 7. So now 6 minus 5 will get over here 1. And what is left here? 4 at hundreds place. 4 minus 0, 4. So by subtracting 55 from 473, we'll get 418. Got it, children? Again, children, in the same way, we'll do this example number 2. Okay, so for 523 minus 005. Okay, so we have written the numbers in the form of 100, tens and ones. In the same way, do it. We'll take 1 from 2 tens, then we'll cut 3, it becomes 13. 13 minus 5, 8. Okay, 1 minus 0 is 1, 5 minus 0, 5. Okay, so in this way, children, practice all the sums. So let's start with exercise 4.8. Subtraction. Small 1, 2 minus 4. So we'll take here 1 from 4. It becomes 12. Cut 2. 12 minus 4 is 8. And what is left behind here? 3 tens. So 3 minus 1, 2. Then 3 remains here. So make it right here 0. Okay. So again, see this second sum, right over 0 here because no number is there. So 13, it becomes 13. Okay, 13 minus 6, it becomes 13 minus 7, we'll get over here 6. Okay, and 7 minus 4 will get 3. Then 4 minus 0, 4. So in this way, children, do rest of the sum in copy. Now subtraction stories. Okay, see, so 727 passengers, they were traveling in a metro train. Okay, so at one station, the number of passengers, they got down and it remains, it becomes 102. So how many passengers are there now in the train? Okay, so again right here, in the form of 100, tens and ones, 727, 102, 7 minus 2, 5, 2 minus 0, 2, 7 minus 1, 6. So 625 passengers were left in the train. Okay, so again, construction of the subtraction storage, children. We have done construction on addition storage, children. Now we'll do here construction of subtraction storage. So let us take the number 162 minus 141. Okay, so let us frame the question. We can write anything by taking these two numbers. So there are 162 children. They were playing in a park. 141 boys. Of them are boys. So how many are girls? So we can also write a basket had 162 apples. and 141 of them are distributed to others. So how many left in the basket? So in this way we can frame the questions by taking the numbers. Okay. Now solve X. We'll move on to exercise 4.9. So a store had 81 bags of wheat. Of this, 49 were used up. How many bags are there in the store now? So 81 bags, we write over here 81 bags. Okay, then 49 were used up. We write here 49, and we are going to tell how many total bags are left in the store. So 1 is lesser than 9, so we'll borrow from it. So it becomes 11. So 11 minus 9, 2, then here 7. 7 minus 4, 3. So 32 bags are left in a store. Okay. So in this way, children, do other sums of exercise 4.9. Done. Then we'll move to estimating differences. Okay. Now children, a shopkeeper, he has sold 159 items on the first day, then 272 items on the second day. So his friends ask how many items he sell on the second day. Shopkeeper says around 110. Okay, so this is not the exact difference. So we'll get the idea of difference. The exact number is 113. Okay, but 110 is very close to 113. So 110 is called an estimate. Like in a previous class in addition, we have also done the estimating. Okay, so here 272 it becomes 272. So 159 becomes maybe 160. Okay, so we'll minus 212 minus 9, 33. Then again 6 minus 5, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. Okay, and we have taken the estimating numbers over here. So 270, 160, so we'll get 110. So we'll not get the exact difference, but we'll close to the exact difference. Okay, so it is called an estimate. So to get the both the numbers to nearest tens and then subtract them. Sometimes we do not need to know exactly how many, but we need a roundabout idea of the number. So estimating numbers are to make an estimate of the difference. The numbers are rounded and subtracted. Okay. So here we are going to do exercise 4.10. So round the following numbers to nearest 10. So 239 is nearly equal to 240. Okay, and 445 is again it is nearly to 450. 564 is nearly equal to 560 because 9 is greater than 5 and 4 is lesser than 5. Okay, so 875 it is equal to 880. Okay. Then estimate the difference by rounding to nearest 10. Okay. Then 251 minus 132. So here we can write 250 and here also we write 130. Okay. So we'll minus 0 minus 0, 5 minus 3, 2. Okay. 2 minus 1, 1. Okay. 120. Now this I will write 630 minus 230. Okay. So here 0, 3 minus 3, 0, 6 minus 2, 4. So here 400. So in this way, do other sums. Then rounding of numbers to nearest 100. 627 is nearly equal to 630. 750. 442, 48, 450. 971, 970. Okay, so do all these sums in your coffee. So we'll move on to subtraction facts, student. So you all know that fact number 1, that any number 0, if 0 is subtract by any number, then we'll get the same number over here, okay, as an answer. Like 31 minus 0, 31. 231 minus 0, 231. Okay, the same number will be the answer. Then fact number 2. So if any number is subtracted by the same number, then we'll get the 0. Like 71 minus 71 will get 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 7 minus 0, 7, 0. So we'll get over here 0. A minus A, 0. So same numbers subtracted by same number, will get 0 over here. Okay. So let's do exercise 4.11. So 439 minus 0, 439. 235 minus 0, 235. Similarly, do other sums. Okay, children. Now we'll move on to worksheet. So do these sums in your copy, children. Okay, all these sums, all this activity. So this chapter is completed, children. Okay, and do all the homework which I have given you, 4.8, 4.9, 4.10 and 4.11 in copy. Okay, thank you, children. Have a nice day.